Good morning everybody. It's the 16th of January and it's the coldest day yet. It's -2 outside. We've got a busy day. I've already sold a bike this morning, which is unbelievable. Let's have a look. So it don't look cold. Jesus, it is. So we sold a bike that sat in there. Pooch Elegance, I think it was. He got 15% off and he part exchanged the bike, so he got the bike for 80 quid and he bought a set of lights as well with his savings. So don't forget guys, our sale is on, and you can also sell your bike on our website. Loads and loads of bikes to choose from, and I've got a busy day. So the first job today for me, the bell. So first of all, let me tell you about my amazing weekend away. So I went to Centre Parks in Elvedon in Suffolk and totally chilled out. It was amazing. So thank you to Centre Parks for our lovely weekend away. I'll put a bit of video on here actually, I think. Yes, and now we're back. So I've got two jobs on this morning. The first one is sort of brakes on a ProBike, and the second one is sort of front wheel on a folding bike. So I'm going to get into it. I'm going to try and keep warm because, as you can see, it's so cold. If you subscribe to this channel, you'll see in the summer me going, it's too hot, it's too hot. But it is really cold this morning. I've got a lot to do. So let's get into it. So the first job today is on this ProBike Vintage, where the brakes have basically decided that the spring don't work anymore. So I'm going to take this particular brake to pieces and see if it's an easy fix or needs a new unit. So I'm going to crack on with that. That's my first job of the day. Yeah, I'm going to focus on getting that done. Right, let's get into it. So that was quite an easy job. Just need to replace this arm. This one, I don't know if you can see it closely, but the spring is all broken inside it. So we put a new arm on. And this one is ready for collection. So the next job today is this little Elite folding bike. So I've got a couple of things I need to do. So the first is to replace the tyre and tube on the front because it's perished and that needs replacing basically. Second is to investigate what's going on with the dynamo, and third is to see if I can sort of stand out because it just doesn't want to support the bike, stands too long I think, so we might have to just cut a little bit off. So let's get into it. Okay, so the Elite folding bike is done. I've put some air in the tyres, adjusted up the stand, replaced the tyre on the front. Customer wasn't particularly precious about what colour it was, so I've put the nice thick tyre on, and I've managed to fix the dynamo, so it's got front and rear lights now. The customer's going to be over the moon with this one, and it isn't going to cost an awful lot either. So, right, I think now, more than anything, I need to do some social media. I've got to log that, I've got to make the meme for it, and I've also got to do some more social media. So I think I'm going to put the kettle on, and I'm gonna try and warm up a bit because it's so cold. Right, I'm gonna get on. I'll see you shortly. Okay, so I'm back from lunch and I've been really busy since I've been back, just basically trying to sort this out. So this looks as it did maybe 2 hours ago, but what was happening was the heat that was in the workshop, which is where I spend most of my time, is just being sucked into the rest of the shop. So what I've done, I'm going to get a proper catch for it, but what I've done is I've made a little door, and now I've got a little bit of privacy in the workshop, and less of the heat will escape, which means hopefully I can stay warmer for longer. So just need a lick of a paint around the edges and job's a good one. Right, so it's been a bit of a mental day. Always is the first day back if I've had a few days off. So I'm gonna get this video edited, tidy the shop up, get some heat in there. So I'm gonna call it a day for today, but we'll see you nice and early tomorrow.